And back at it again. So today I'll try to do an edited video. Right now I'm working on the fuel line from the pump to the carburetor. So I'm working on this line here, going straight down. And it goes to the pump to get a shot of it underneath. I'm just trying to get the bends just right to where I can meet up in between this area. And if I was to advance or retard the distributor, I don't want it to interfere. Some of the schematics I've seen, the pump go, or the line goes under in this area and then back. I kind of don't want it running in front, so I'm going to run it up. I have to be cautious of the oil sending unit and then some of the other temp sensors. So run it out of the way, make sure I have clearance to move the pump, and I'm going to think about running it this way back, and then maybe a 90 back here, and then maybe have a bolt down about that spot up, and then a filter. Okay, well, I got the fuel line done. I just put this little braided guy around it, give it some protection. A little clamp there just to hold the line so it doesn't move too much, give it some flexibility. Let's have to go get 2 more of these hose clamps. Actually, like 6 more of these guys. This is a 13, 15. I need the one that's a little bigger. So I'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 down on the pump, 2 more in the back. And then I go get my plugs. I have the wires. Thinking about rebuilding the car, but you know, why not? Just give it a shot. What's the worst that could happen? I put dirty fuel in it or something? I don't know. All right, so I got the fuel line hooked up. There is gas in it. There's plugs in it. Fuel line's hooked up. I blocked off all the major ports. There's no water. I just wanted to get it to see if she'll turn over. And this is the first attempt. Marked it at top dead center. Adjusted the stupid distributor to where I would think it would be close. I had to turn the motor over a few times just to get fuel from the tank to the bowl. Okay, for real talk, can this thing actually do the shit? It's either gonna blow or go. Hey. Hey. She wanted to go. Oh shit. There's a little spark. So let's see if I want to advance maybe. Turn it over just a little bit further. That might be retarding. I don't know which way is retard or advance. But oh my mama.